collaborate and to share experiences.
One of the key reasons that we're doing this is really about making sure that we're at least aware of the issues that we need to be thinking about when developing an international standard.
If you miss the context, then you can miss actually the emotion that you try to convey.
If the person talking is from culture A and the person listening is from culture B, we could have like a kind of lost in translation kind of emotion.
Communication, media, international relations, because they can catch up fast with the emotion aspect of hate speech.
Our new president said that actually we want to achieve 8% of economic growth. Maybe all of us aware of that. So actually how to maximize this challenge together.
Even the model itself, the procedure, the training procedure, the inference procedure, it may also imply bias. But now, mostly, the problem is in the training data.
We have the transparency. We also be careful with bias and fairness, and also purposes limitation.